trials, I search for peace. The noise is rising, and I'm on my knees. The enemy's whispering, trying to stir the doubt, trying to make me wander, trying to shut me out.
James 1:2-4 NIRV. My brothers and sisters, when you face many kinds of trouble, you should be full of joy. You know that such troubles test your faith, and that produces endurance.
Oh, finding peace amidst the noise. In your presence I rejoice. Lord, show me mercy, I pray. Through the trials I'll find my way.
Satan's trying to disrupt, using static to deceive. He wants me disobedient. He wants me to leave. But God is in control of the wind and the wave. I'll stand on the promise. I'll be strong and brave.
Romans 8:28 NIRV. God works for the good of those who love Him. They are the ones He has called according to His purpose.
Oh, finding peace amidst the noise. In your presence I rejoice. Lord, show me mercy, I pray. Through the trials I'll find my way.
The serpent wants the chaos to pull my heart away, but I'll remain faithful, doing what you say. Lord, silence the distractor. Stop the enemy's hand on your holy word. I'll take my stand. God, I ask for your peace amidst the noise. I know the enemy uses this disruption to lure me into frustration and disobedience. If it's your will, please intervene and stop the noise, so I may rest and hear your voice clearly, Lord. I've been faithful in doing what you called me to do. Please show me a little mercy with these trials. Don't let the enemy win. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. The noise has to bow. The enemy must be still. I silence the static in Jesus' name. You have no authority here. I am obedient. I am yours. The storm is hushed. I hear you now.